John here, guys, and today we're talking about Emax's new Tiny Hawk Lite Adventure beginner drone kit that has everything you need in order to get flying. A drone that is the drone itself, a battery, a charger, a controller, a set of FPV goggles, and a monitor, and spare parts, and everything you need. Finally, you have a hobby, unlike gaming or something else that's actually going to take you to different places. That's why this is called the adventure, because you're going to get to go on some adventures with this thing. And it is a new design that takes some advantage of some of the older technology that we have in the drone space, like brushed motors, which are going to have a little bit less cost and a little bit less power. But whenever you're learning, you don't want that power that's going to send you crashing into a tree. You want something that's going to be a little bit more controllable. So this combination is going to allow you to dip your toe and see if this hobby is for you for one of the lowest prices that you can get around. And it's also very tough. It has a fully encased durable outer shell to help you deal with those inevitable crashes, and it even has a nice battery that will slide in here. Now this is a one-celled 850 milliamp battery pack, and it slides in just like that so that it can only go in one way. That takes some of the guesswork out of it for the first time user. Got some antennas here for the goggles in here, as well as some spare props and some stickers. You have all of your accessories, cable mounting solutions for the screen, which you can take off a little bit of tools. You're also going to have your 6-port charger in here. Now the battery plugs into the charger just like this. And then the charger can plug into any USB port. So you can charge this off a battery bank if you want to be going out and flying out in the field. Next, you have Emax's tried and true Express LRS remote control right here. This operates off of a single 18650 battery. And as always, I really like that Emax labels every single switch so that you know what it does. You're going to want to leave this right one up for beginner mode if you're a beginner, and then this is your arm and disarm switch right here. These switches for this model don't actually do anything because it's meant to be a base level of features. This is Emax's goggle unit that will charge with USB-C right here. You can change your channels right here on the side, and it even has the capability to take this off. This is a nice feature because you can use this as a goggle when you're just getting started, and you can keep this as a field monitor if you ever do upgrade to a nicer set of goggles. Now, because this is a super budget kit, this set of goggles does not have DVR recording ability. So all the recorded footage were gotten with these premium Orca goggles. Now this set of goggles with this module and this antenna would cost almost $800. This does not come with a drone or a controller or anything like that, or even a battery. This comes with everything you need in order to get started. And I love that everything here is chargeable with a USB-C, including this goggle pack right here. Let's dive in deeper to this drone itself. Now, as we mentioned, these are brushed motors, a little bit old school tech, which is going to have a little less power, but it's going to reduce the cost and the complexity of this. And they have a special prop that is meant to slide onto the tiny little post. Now look at the frame design. It is sort of a PCB board making the actual frame, and I'm suspecting that a lot of the electronics are just built off of that board right there, making this a super simple design. You have a standard analog camera right there at the front. It's all encased in a very lightweight polycarbonate shell, which is going to reduce crashability, and even the bottom of everything is encased. Now, all of that stuff is going to add a little bit of extra weight, but that's okay because this is not meant to be a speed racer. Okay, so as we said, this is not going to be something that you're going to learn to do acrobatic freestyle tricks on. It's a little bit heavy and a little bit sluggish for someone like me that is used to drone racing. But for somebody that is beginning, I did notice that if I did some of the common beginner stick inputs, sometimes when you're going too low or too close to something, you tend to jerk your finger. Eventually, you develop a muscle memory that allows you to move the stick slowly. The same way if you were driving on a freeway and some obstruction, a piece of tire is in the way, what would happen if you just yanked your steering wheel all the way to the side? you would crash immediately, right? And as a driver, you learn, if I'm going this amount of speed, I just need to make a very subtle movement to avoid that obstacle. And it's the same with drone flying, but you don't have that muscle memory. So the closest thing you're going to do is jerk. And if you have something that's powerful, you are going to crash. But this, with the tune on it, means that if you jerk, you're going to move up just a bit, but you're not going to fly yourself to the moon. And that's why I think this is a special combination that Emax has come up with to get the intersection of beginner friendliness, ease of use, everything working with USBs, and a low price to allow you to check it out. What do you think in the comments, guys? Do you have someone in your life that you would like to introduce to drone flying? If so, this is probably going to be the setup that I would recommend. This is not meant for racing by any means, but it is meant for learning, and that's exactly what it can do. You want something that is not going to break the bank in case you decide this hobby is not for you, and that battery is just essentially something just like this. Now, this is a smaller version. This is a Emax 450 milliamp hour, but it's very similar to that. It just comes in a case that has the battery lead already positioned so that you can slide it in. With these, sometimes the cables that are sticking out and making sure that you plug it in the right orientation, this takes that guesswork out of it. So there's only one way that it can go in. It comes already bound up for you. It comes with the goggles already set up for you. So you don't have to go through any of that setup. You literally just charge the battery, plug it in, hit the arm switch, and you are flying. So a lot of people, when they want to get into a drone hobby, they are just stuck by the hours and hours and hours of learning and configuring and binding and setting up that you have to do initially before you can take that first second of flight. And that first second, you're probably going to crash. And if you have something more powerful, that crash may have just obliterated all your investment in order to learn how to fly. So this is a less costly way to dip your toe and ensure that you learn with something that can actually take a bit of a crash. And if worst case scenario, you do damage it in some way, you have a set of goggles and a controller that can still work with something else that you can buy later. And this is not going to break the bank. So like any craft, you want to go somewhere that is over grass and you want to fly it low and slow the first time you fly it. A lot of people get a drone and the first thing they want to do is send it to the moon. That's not what you want to do, guys. You want to take it low and slow. And this is really a beginner package. It's going to be friendly for a lot of you guys. So let's take it on a quick flight. Now, if you do decide that it's for you, you're going to want to go down the rabbit hole choosing all different options. But guess what? Even the controller that you might end up with is going to cost more than this entire kit that comes with everything. So before you go spending thousands of dollars, spend just a couple of hundred. I'll have the price along with the link for this down in the description below, and you decide if this is the way you want to get started or help somebody that you know get started. Thanks, guys.